Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium. This is the daily close. Let's see what happened today. So we mentioned since the daily and the intraday that we're gonna see some higher prices here, and we're looking for our deep correction wave 4 after a double 1 2. Yesterday we got the bloody day for a wave 3 there. Wave 4 unfolding currently, and it's gonna be a little bit high that because of the alternation for a wave 2 here, as of course a 1 2 you barely took the 0.38, so expect of course a little bit higher wave 4 rather than just the 0.23. We might take the 0.38 as well before we push toward the downside in a wave 5, because we need still to continue this double 1 2 3 4 and a 5 4 and a 5 to finish this impulse in our blue box target 3900 and even 3800, the most common target for a 1 to 1 fib level, which is gonna finish a large impulse 1 2 here in a wave 3. That means even we are still very open here for a wave 4 and a 5, where we might hit the extension 1.618 after a large wave 4, of course, in alternation with this wave 2 there. We might hit the 1.618, 3600, even psychologically 3500. It is very open, and that because also of our daily analysis every day that we mentioned that the price might come back to the channels that we have, of course, as a base channel. We might hit it in this area here, so be careful, it might be even deeper, and we have a large gap on the macro level to move toward the downside, guys. It's a gap, it's a void here where the price can simply range for a correction wave 4. So by all means, on the 15-minute chart, and what we might expect for tomorrow is a hit for the target here for this red zone area 0.38 4K. I would say very psychological, and then starting the push again toward the downside for a wave 5. This is my expectation for tomorrow. We'll see if this is going to unfold for the gold. For the silver, we are looking also for the 1 hour chart here, where we have a 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5. The wave 5 itself is not yet finished and extending in double 1 2, wave 3 4 and a 5 4 and a 5, also to reach the $50 potentially as a psychological number, the extension 1.618 here, and it can be very likely the same as for the gold, and we have the same for the silver. A large wave 4 and a 5 is expected also to be unfolding here, because you have also a large wave 2 as an expanding flat. I'm expecting something high and aggressive wave 5 to push downward again, meaning 3 4 5, and then we finish this bear market potentially around the $50 for the silver, which is very psychological, and then of course pushing for higher one more time again. Potentially can be a new all-time high, but yeah, also there is a probability which is a high 3 waves up, but still a bullish scenario, right? So yeah, this is regarding silver as well. My expectations for tomorrow is a drop toward the downside at wave 5. Potentially, we have to take the 0.23 here, which it can be even, honestly, it's not necessarily this 0.23, by the way, can be even shorter, because currently we are looking for this. So there you go. Yeah, so 0.38, I would say, let's say $60. $60, I mean the same as before, but almost 0.38 would be great here before we push toward the downside. So $60 would be my target for a wave 4 in silver, and then starting the push toward the downside again to finish this major wave 3. So that was it for the silver. Let's move to palladium. For a palladium, okay, it looks like sorry guys, I deleted by mistake from my list, so I'm gonna find it here. So for palladium, we are looking as well for this blue zone. So it is our target. It is hit here. We have a 1 2 and a wave 3 4 and a 5, very likely to be finished, but we have to be careful from an extension 1 2 3 4 and a 5 again. So I'm gonna mark this also as a 1 2 here, 3 4 and a 5. We gotta be careful with it. It can be something pushing for lower here, yeah. So that we have to test the area here, 0.38, which is the minimum requirement for a wave to 1216. So I'm expecting to push a little bit higher before we continue toward the downside. But in case that the price will continue to show some strength and moving to the next testing area here, which is the 0.618, 0.786, then okay, still potential a drop. But if we take the 886, this is our green flag. Also, pre-confirmation is another a green flag, meaning we're pushing for something bullish again. Yep, so that was it for the metals, gold, silver, and palladium. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.